Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture, we will start chapter number 3 of the book Main Agricultural Products of the Muslim World. Starting with the name of chapter, we first explain the meaning of agriculture. Agriculture is the process of producing food, feed, fiber, and many other products by the cultivation of plants and the raising of domesticated animals. Agriculture is the main occupation of the majority of people living in the Muslim world. The main agricultural products of the Muslim world are wool, cotton, sugar, rubber, tea, coffee, cocoa, wheat, and rice. In this lecture, we will read the first four products. Our first topic is wool. Wool is perhaps still the best textile for ordinary clothing, especially in temperate climates. It contains many small pockets of air which keep the body warm. Some of the highest quality wool comes from sheep in Kazakhstan. The wool from sheep and goats in Pakistan and Turkey is perfect for carpet making because it is much harder and rough. The Muslim world supplies about 10% of the world's wool. These countries are Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkey, and Central Asian states. Now, come to the second topic, cotton. Cotton is one of the world's leading agricultural crops. It is comfortable to wear in hot climates. When the fibers have been removed, the seeds are crushed to make oil for cooking. The Muslim countries produces about 20% of the world's cotton. These countries are Egypt, Pakistan, Turkey, Uzbekistan, and Sudan. China is the world's biggest producer of cotton. Pakistan is the world's fourth top producer of cotton. The third topic is sugar. Sugar is obtained from the juice of the sugarcane. The cane is crushed for the juice, which is then boiled. The water in the juice turns to steam and the sugar crystals left behind. The remains of the sugarcane is called bagasse, which is used for heating purpose and animal food, etc. Brazil is the world's largest producer of sugarcane. It produces 33% of all the sugarcane in the world. Pakistan produces 3.5% of the world's sugar. Another agricultural product is rubber. Rubber is used to make tires, hosepipes, belts for machinery, shoes, and as an insulator in electrical equipment. There are two main types of rubber. Natural rubber, which is obtained from trees, synthetic rubber, which is made from chemicals. Natural rubber is made from the sap of number of trees. The rubber tree was found only in the Amazon rainforest, but now also in Southeast Asia. Muslim countries now produce about 20% of all the world's rubber. The main countries producing rubber are Malaysia, Indonesia, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and some parts of India. Students, we end our lecture here. In the next lecture, we will cover the remaining agricultural products of the Muslim world. Thank you.